So now let's see how we can work around with liquid simulation inside of Blender. So in order to work around with liquid simulation, I'm going to go around and press Shift A on my keyboard, and then on my mesh, you can see that I have some objects to choose from. So I'm just going to select, let's say, cone right here. So I want to create a liquid simulation. So I'm going to go around and add in that property by going into Edit and by going into Menu Search. So here, I'm just going to type in liquid, and then quick liquid actually pops up. So I'm just going to click on this, and there you go. If I were to play this, you can see that this is the liquid simulation that is happening. So I want the liquid simulation to happen a bit differently. So I'm just going to go around, rescale the outer area where the liquid is simulated. And let's say I'm going to copy and paste this as well. So Shift D right here, put it here, Shift D, put it right here. And this is what I have. I'm going to change the height of these right here. And now what I need to do is I need to resimulate these things. So I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to go around into the properties right here, the physics properties. And then over here, you can see that this is what I have. So let me just scroll down right here. And then on the bottom, you can see that there's this option which says replay. So I'm just going to change that to modular, and I'm going to say is resumable. And then over here in the format, I'm just going to select unique cache. So once you do that, you have access to other options right here. So over here, you can see big data is an option. So I'm just going to click on big data. So it analyzes everything out right here. What is there? So once I do that, it says the data has been baked. So let me press the play button. And now you can see that instead of one, there are three liquid that is popping up right here. But still the work is not finished, because in render view, you don't see anything at all. So I'm going to go back. So what you need to do is you need to create a mesh. So now to do that, I'm going to go around over here. I'm simply going to select this box. And then over here on the bottom, you have to make sure that you bake the data first. And then after you bake the data, enable the mesh right here, because we want to generate a mesh, and simply go around and click on bake mesh. Of course, there's other options right here which you can work around with as well. So I'm just going to click on bake mesh, and what happens is that the mesh is being baked out right here. So what the data has been baked, and now mesh has been baked. So you can see that now this is how it actually appears right here. Instead of just the particles, you have blob of waters, like blob of liquid coming down, and there you go, the mesh is there. You can view it in other rendering mode as well now. So you can see that that actually looks like a liquid. There you go. The liquid is actually being meshed out right there. And in the area where we actually selected, there's the liquid. You can see it around like this as well, which looks more natural. So let me just press the play button right here. This is what you have. Looks cool. Looks like liquid, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around with liquid simulation inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.